Sa pagkumpas ng iyong kamay, aking
Okay, both team first fight. Pasok na yung both team first fight. Okay, first fight po ng Barangay Agdao. Okay, let's play the game. Then start on the first quarter. Bakbak ang Barangay Talos Patang versus Barangay Agdao Soriano. Alley of play on Crabangwell. Easy basket. And then down the ball to Kagawan Purello. Heavy traffic. Balik sa labas. Then jumper. Using the glass by jersey number 24 on Belena. Kagawan Belena Morales to Kiratman. Third drops. Good. And ball on Kagawan Belena. Setting the play, then dribble ball on jersey number 5. Back on Kagawan Belena. Pasa sa ilalim. At hindi na-anticipate ni Kagawan Purello. Soriano, bigay ulit. To Crabangwell. Setting the play, goes again Martinez. And then fake. Pasa. And then still Kagawan and Belena. To Biluan from downtown. 3 points. And then Morales goes on Soriano, fires some 3. Airball. And Del Ben. Ilokulit. Then still Soriano goes to Martinez. One handle shot. Wala. Martinez pa rin. Yes, 2 points. And then down the ball on jersey number 10. Kabila ball Kagawan Belena. Go Beloan. Beloan. Side step. Bigay sa labas. Delpen. Balik sa ilalim. Napayungan. At ayan Belena. No good. Purello using the glass. In and out. Bigay naman sa ilalim. Penetrate. Supply pa rin. At ayan pa rin, Crabangwell lulusob. Yes, on Crabangwell, back-to-back hits. And then foul number 8 on Kiratman. That's your first personal foul on jersey number 8, Kiratman. And ball on Belena. Delpin. No good. Beluan orchestrating the play. Bigay kay Kagawan Purello. Yan, didiskarte. 10 to shoot, Beluan fake, sasalaksak, and then penetrate, no good. Offensive rebound, supply. Sambal pa rin. Sa Brett, sinong papalitan? Mr. Belena. Ayan, ilalabas muna Beluan out. Belena in. Delpen inside inbound, goes on Kagawan Belena. Mendoza launches for 3, no good. Delpen again for the rebound. Ayan, lumusog, hook shot, wala, put back, and then rebound, Crabangwell, pass break by Soriano. At ayun, hindi na anticipate Agawan Dilpen down the ball goes to Mendoza, headed by Beliena. Fires a three, short. Put back. That's a lucky bounce on jersey number 24, Agawan Beliena. And Morales down the ball, then setting the play. Given up by Crabangwell. Fires a three, short. Rebound on Beliena to Beliena. Given up on Dilpen. At pass solid, Porello slicing the middle, and then foul on jersey number 26 on Soriano Sabret. Porello out, replaced by jersey number 12 Balingi. Dilpen inside inbound, headed by Mendoza, heavy dropping, looking for Timmins. And there's a whistle again, foul on jersey number 26. That's your second personal foul on jersey number 26. And a timeout on Barangay Talos Patang. Score po natin 10-7 in favor of Barangay Talos Patang, 3-point lead. And then Dilpen given up on jersey number 22, followed by number 30, Sembol Barin. 10 seconds to shoot. And side inbound, looking for Timmins, given up on Balenga. Not good. And then rebound again, bigay sa gitna, ayon. Sembol Barin. 4 seconds to shoot. 4 seconds to shoot. And then inside inbound again. Muntik pa. Ayun na. Bukod. Bigay kay Kiratman. Fake roll shot. Yes. And inbound. Headed by jersey number 24, Kagawan Beliena. Followed by jersey number 22. Ayan, orchestrating the play. Ayan, kidnap ulit. Hindi makaranas. Muntik pang maagaw. Dilpen ngayon. Sasalaksak. Wala. Rebound again by Dilpen. Ayan, kukulitin ni Martinez. Inside pass, 5 to shoot. And then steal by Martinez. Muntik pang mabitawan. And then pass break again by Bocot using the left. Nugget. At pass break ulit. Bigay naman. At pass ulit kay Balinge. Balinge setting the play, looking for Timmins, inside pass on Dilpen. Dilpen fake, sasalaksak, slicing the middle, using the left, no good. Balinge for the rebound. Yes, on Balinge. And ayan, Martinez down the ball. Bigay kay Kiratman. Atake, inside pass, looking for Timmins, Crabangwell sa ilalim. Bitin, defensive rebound. Sablay. At may foul na nasungkit on jersey number 30. Sabret. Timeout on Barangay Agdao.
Wajah kami kin, wajah kami linggo yun. Ang tapo
Okay, back to the ball game. At kamay-kamay lang po tayo dyan mga kaibigan. Dahil nandito na po ang ating mga vloggers gabi-gabi. Papanood po tayo sa buong mundo. Sina Daniela Vloggers at saka si Rodel Alcarado Vloggers at Pitik ni Paul Vloggers. At yung vloggers na mas malinaw pa sa araw, walang iba kundi si Plato Kids Vloggers. And then first shot by Krabangwell, yes. And then second through, Sablay, natapik, tama-tama ulit. And then still on Macaranas, bigay on Bukod, pasa sa ilalim. Yes, beautiful play on Barangay Talos Batang. And Mendoza down the mount, sending the play. Pasa sa ilalim. Yun, knockout play. Para kay jersey number 18, Ali hook shot. Then Martinez. Sasalaksak. Muntik pang masungkit. And then turnaround shot. No good. Rebound. And then given up on jersey number 22. Still by Macaranas. Macaranas, no look pass. And then fake. Kiratman penetrate. At may foul. Headed by again jersey number 30. Yeah. That's your second personal foul on jersey number 30. And then Kiratman from the 15-point line, first charity. No good. Second, split charity. And bound on Kagawan Biliana. Given up on Balenge. Headed by jersey number 22, Macaranas, kinukulit. Macaranas pa rin, inside pass, then reverse. Wow! Napakalalim naman nun para kay Dilion rather. Martinez, given up on Kiratman. Kiratman, ayan, kinukulit. Back to Krabangwell. Pass kay Bukod, pick. And again. At may foul ulit para kay jersey number 18. Subrep. Belina out. Replaced by Biluan. And then Bukod from the 15-point line. First is good. Second through. 2 out of 2 on Bukod. Dikit po ang ating laban ha. 13-18. 2 minutes remaining time on the first quarter. Ayan Binluan. Sasalaksak to Beliana. Rejected by Krabangwell. And bound again number 30. Given up on Macaranas for 3. Air ball. Martinez given up on Macaranas. Pass break on Bukod. Using the love. Yes. Para kay Bukod. At inbound Binluan. Pass ulit. Another steal again by Macaranas. Macaranas pasa naman ulit. Kiratman. Muntik pa. And then nice one. And Balenge. Down the ball on Balenge. Given up. Pasa sa ilalim. Dilion Araro. And then steal. Pass break na naman. Macaranas. Easy basket. Lumulobo 24-13. And then 3 points. At ayan na Dilion. Bigay naman. Ay Dilion. Pasa sa ilalim. Benluan. Didiskarte. Benluan pa rin. Orchestrating na ba? Screening by Dilion. Bigay kay Balenge. At my foul. Number 29. On Martinez. That's your first personal foul. And then Balinge from the 15-point line. First shot. Yes. Second, 2 out of 2. And man on Kiratman. Headed by Martinez. Back on Kiratman. Lulusu. Bigay Krabangwell. Jumper. Na good. Put back. Bukod. Sablay. Another again. Sablay ulit. At may jump ball na mangyayari. Mapupunta dito sa Barangay Agdao Basketball. At Benluan, ayan, umatake, and side pass, then jumper. Yes, that's a lucky bounce. Martinez given up on Krabangwell. Ang ex-chairman ng Talos Batang aatake. And there's Rizzo, gets the foul again, jersey number 30. That's your third personal foul. Oh, jersey number 30. Wala pa. 4.9 seconds remaining time. Nasa first quarter pa lamang tayo. Makaranas, one-handed shot. Lucky bounce, live ball yan. Okay, end of the first quarter. Makaranas, yes, walang nagawa si Morales kay Makaranas. Easy 2 points. Morales ngayon didiskarte, aatake sa ilalim, no look pass and then bad pass. Balenge inbound, headed by Benluan. Ngayon bigay, Balenge, no look pass again. Balenge pa rin. Bigay kay Delpen, side step, no good. Rebound on Chua ngayon, dumire-diretso, sablay, and then rebound para ka. Makaranas goes to Delpen ngayon, and then still nabitawan pa at napulot pa rin ni Guzman, headed by Soriano. Ayon sa ilalim, bigay kay Batak. Yes sir. At inbound again on jersey number 30, followed by Makaranas setting the play. Ayan, dribbling the ball. Makaranas pa rin, looking for Tibbets. Pass to Delpen. Bang, bang, bang. 3 points. Chua inbound. Goes on Morales. Ayan, lumalaman ha. 28-25 ha. Tatlo lang. Soriano goes again on the Guzman. Airball. Sembol pa rin. Okay, so break. Balingge out. At saka number 30 out. Replaced by Kagawad Porello and De Leon. 8 seconds to shoot. 8 seconds to shoot. Inside inbound goes on Soriano. Pass kay De Guzman. And there's a result. That's a foul hidden by jersey number 18. De Leon. At ayan, De Guzman from the 15.9. Then first Charity. Yes. Agay na, mayamay naman. Second. Nugget. And then put back, Sublime. Kagawad Porello for the rebound. Ayun, at hindi na nakuha. The jersey number 22. Another turnover para sa Barangay Agdao. At behind the back on Morales. Pasa kay De Guzman. De Guzman ngayon sumakasa at naagaw. Ayan na. Makaranas. Ayan. Dumidiretso. Inside pass. Pinluan. Araro. Pero may foul na nasungkit on 07. Headed by Chua. That's your first personal foul on jersey number 07 by Chua. At ayan, Pinluan from the 15.9. First is good. Uy, sana all. Second, Split Charity. And bound on Chua, followed by Morales. Morales orchestrating the play. Bigay kay Soriano from downtown short. Delpen for the rebound. At ayan, Delpen siya nang magtatawid. Given up by Porello. Pass naman kay Macaranas. Macaranas orchestrating the play. Then dribbling the ball is creating by De Leon. Inside pass. Walang bantay. Yes. Si Pinluan, lebreng-lebre. At lamang na ng lamang na ng isa ang Barangay Agdao 29-28. Yan. At may foul and then foul headed by jersey number 27 sa rep. Bayan, lalabas muna, Batak out, replaced by jersey number 9 Martinez. Then first personal foul on jersey number 27. At ayan, mapupunta sa 15-point line para kay Chowa. 80 out. And then second two, short, agawan ulit, napunta sa labas, Sembol pa rin. Okay, at ating third game po natin magandang bakbakan, Barangay Kabuldatan versus Barangay Tambak. Match na match po ang laban. And then jump, no good. Delpen orchestrating the play, given up again by Porello. Porello, attacking, heavy dropping, kinukulit ni Morales, bigay kay Macaranas, launches for 3 points. Macaranas and bound Chua, then followed by Morales. 32-28 in favor again on Barangay Agdao, is slicing the middle by Soriano. Yes. And bound on Kagawad Porello. And then given up on Macaranas down the ball. Pasa sa ilalim. Then fake. Del Leon, 2 drops. And in foul. Headed by jersey number 27. Sabrep. Chua out. Ayan, replace again, Beluan out, Mendoza in. Another serve, Soriano out. Replace on Bukod. And then De Leon from the 15-point line. First Charity. Good. Second, Supply. Shoot ka ito mo, dapat galing ka ito. Bukod! Yes, para kay Bukod. Remaining time, 4 minutes, 10 seconds for the first half. And then Macaranas looking for 10 minutes, Delpen. Not good. Rebound Morales. Followed by Bukod. Ayun, natapalan. Symbol pa rin. At ayan, inbound on jersey number 27. Alley-oop play. And then basket is count. Foul number 27. Second personal foul on jersey number 27. Okay, so Brep. Ayan, Guzman out. Pinasok si Beliena. Pilam ng Talos Batang. Ayan. Bonus shot para kay Crabangwell. Kali po niya. Ay, Brazil. Ayan na, Macaranas. At ayan, sasagasa Delpen. Bigay sa labas, Mendoza. Ayan, ilalapit, one-handle shot. Nice one on jersey number 10, Mendoza. At ayan pa rin, Crabangwell. Didiskarte. And then still safe. At napulot naman, Mendoza ngayon. At itatawid yung bola. Mendoza ngayon, up on the way. Yes. On Mendoza, back-to-back hits. And ball on Beliena. Followed by, again, Morales. Morales goes to Crabangwell. And side pass to Martinez. Bigay kay Bukod sa gitna. Ayon na. Beliena. Bitin pa. Agawan. And then rebound. Symbol. And then timeout on Barangay Talos Batang.
Panganay nila na
balik ka sa supot pa, di ba?
Okay, back to the ball game. Okay, inbound on Macaranas. Looking for Timmins, Crabangwell. Beautiful pass. Yes. The plus. At ayan, Mendoza. Delpen. Balik ulit kay Kagawan Beliena. And then for 3, Delpen. Crabangwell for the rebound. Pass break. Ayon pa rin, Bukod. Ayan, ang gandang pasa na naman. Para kay Bukod and Macaranas. Beautiful shot. Mendoza. Bigay kay Delpen to Balenge. Ayan, aatake. Symbol. Balenge giving up on Mendoza. Heavy dropping, giving up on Kagawan Beliena. Sablay, kalawit rebound para kay Beliena. At Cromwell to Bokod. Napakabilis talaga ni Bokod. Nice 2 points. Parang si Placido. Mendoza orchestrating the play. Followed by Delpen. Delpen didiskarte. Bigay naman pero mataas yung pasa ni Delpen. Time out on Barangay Andaw. Okay, back to the action. And remaining time 2 minutes 1 second. Score po natin 42-37 in favor of Barangay Talos Batang. 5-point lead. Cromwell. And down the ball. Given up on Martinez. Ayan, Martinez. Balik sa labas para kay Bukod. Bukod ngayon. And then still, ayan, Mendoza, 2 and 1, nauna na. Mendoza using the left, yes. Cromwell, followed by Bukod. Bigay ulit, Macaranas. Yes, good on Macaranas. Mendoza pa rin. Bigay naman by Delpen, looking for receiver, inside pass on De Leon, fake reverse, yes, on De Leon, inside inbound again by Cromwell, given up on Macaranas. Macaranas ngayon, didiskarte, heavy traffic, looking for teammates, back on Cromwell, pasa kay Martinez, bigay kay Bukod sa gitna, jumper, yes, on Bukod. Balengge. At ayan pa rin para kay Mendoza. Pass ulit. Delpen from downtown. Yes sir. 3 points. Macaranas given up again. Cromwell fires of 3 points. At ayan, muntik pang bagaw. Mendoza. Ayan, rebound, then save. Cromwell ulit. Bigay naman kay Bukod. 2. Cromwell using the left. Yes. 51-44 ang ating score. Laban na laban po ang Barangay Talos Batang. Mendoza, given up on Kagawan Villena. Well ball. Cromwell, 10 seconds. Cromwell pa rin. Pass sa naman to Martinez. Using the left. Cromwell, put back. Villena. Basket is good. And on the first half, and then we would like to acknowledge to our Barangay Kagawan on Talos Batang, no other than Mr. Pellet Mamarin. Magandang gabi po, Kagawan.
Kami mapagatan. matatake yun. iPhone 95.
And then foul on for 8. Second personal foul by Gretman, jersey number 8. Inbound to Benluan. Ayan, kinukulit ni number 28, pasa kay Macaranas. 10 to shoot. Kagawad Beliena, jumper, sablay. Kagawad Beliena. Panson Mendoza. Ay, Macaranas, brother. Running shot, yes. Bigay naman kay Soriano. Soriano, pasa kay Di Guzman. Bigay kay sa gitna. No good. Rebound. Macaranas, kinukulit. And then rejected. Mapupunta sa Agdaw ay Talos Batang Basketball. Kiratman, didiskarte, kinukulit. Ayan, Kiratman, dumiretso. Basket is count. And then foul number 24. First personal foul on jersey number 24. On Kagawad Beliena. Bonus shot. Nugget. Di Guzman, 10 to shoot. Pass to Kiratman. Sumagasa na naman. Sembol pa rin. 7 seconds to shoot. Balik ulit para kay Soriano. 4 to shoot. Then jumper. Nugget. Di Guzman again. Fake. Jump. Wala pa rin. Oh. Muntik na nalagyan ng kiss mark yung palamig. Andi balilatan sa palamig na kurota tubo lang. Macaranas. Pasa Beliena. Yes. And foul number 31 goes to Soriano.
Kiko screen na ali.
Sablay. Benluan. Macaranas orchestrating the play. Bigay naman Beliena from downtown. Bang! 3 points. Oh, hinigop lang rin, Jojo. Soriano. Play zone. Kiratman. Ayan, dino-double team. Bigay kay Soriano. Bibitaw sa trace. In and out. Rebound again. Di Guzman. Jumper. Yes, sir. At ayan, number 18 inbound De Leon goes on Macaranas. Macaranas ngayon. Given up on Kagawad Beliena. Pasa sa ilalim. Uy! At hindi nakita ni De Leon. Sayang. Di Guzman, Soriano, followed by Kiratman. Kiratman, setting the play. Ayan, kinukulit ni Macaranas. Slicing the middle. Bitin. Nibado. At may nasungkit na foul number 5 para kay Benluan. That's your first personal foul on jersey number 5, Benluan. And Nibado from the 15.9 first good. Yan pala si Nibado, Chinese bamboo sa Talos Batang. Second, yeah, 2 out of 2. Napakatangkad ni Libado. Macaranas. Ayan. Then foul number 26. Soriano. That's your third personal foul on jersey number 26, Soriano. Macaranas sailing the play. Pass sa gitna. Ayan. Heavy traffic. Inside pass. Another fake. Inside jumper. Kagawad Beliana. Yes. Kiratman. Headed by Soriano. Soriano sasagasa ulit. Slicing the middle. At ayan. Symbol pa rin. Libado. Gibinabawang Kiratman. Pasa ulit. Soriano. Kinukulit at dumiret-diretso. Yes, para kay Soriano. De Leon. At bigay na kay Macaranas. Macaranas sailing the play. Looking for receiver. Pasa kay Kagawad Bilena. Napulot pa rin. And they still. At ayan na. Kiratman. Nauna na. Si 2 points para kay Kiratman. Macaranas again, down the ball. Is training by Kagawad Bilena. Ayan, dribbling the ball. Given up on Kagawad Bilena. Then jumper, Biluan, no good. Bigay kay De Leon, fade away. Wala, andun pa rin. Nice one on jersey number 30. 4 minutes, 5 seconds on the third quarter. Soriano. Followed by the Guzman, given up on Kiratman. Kiratman setting the play. 10 to shoot to the Guzman. Fake. Sasagasa. Ibinomba. Wala. Rebound para kay Benluan. Benluan muntik pang maagaw at bigay kay Macaranas ngayon. Ayan, binabantayan. Heavy traffic. At didiskarte. Inukulit pa rin. At Macaranas, ibinigay sa labas. Fake again, Benluan. And then blocking foul on number 28. That's your first personal foul by Pereira. At Benluan ulit, mapupunta naman sa pedestrian. Unang tera is good. And second, Sablay. Kiratman for the rebound. Kiratman ngayon, down the ball. And then setting the play, given up on Soriano. Soriano, aatake. Wala, natapig. Napulot pa rin ni Soriano. Bigay naman ni Balupig. Ayun na, Sablay. Rebound pa rin. Ayun, nabitawan. De Leon. Pass on Macaranas. Macaranas pa rin. Orchestrating the play. Ayan. Iniikot-ikot muna to Benluan. Benluan sasagasa. Binabantayan ni Soriano. Penetrate. No good. Ayan. And then again. Foul number 5. Timeout on Talos Patang.
Talos Patang. Like it.
Okay, back to the ball game. Then remaining time 2 minutes 59 seconds on the third quarter. And then official score 63-56. Get ready. Third game po natin. Barangay Tambak versus Barangay Kabuldatan. Crabangwell. Setting the play. Yan, giving up on Bukod. Lodges for 3. Malakas. Then rebound on Belena. Pasa kay Macaranas. Macaranas de derecho. Heavy traffic. Balik sa labas. Looking for Temits. At bigay naman Belena. Inside pass. De Leon. Penetrate. Yes. As it 2 points on De Leon. And bound on Batak. Followed by Crabangwell. Goes to Martinez. Martinez ngayon. Giving up on Bukod. Back on Martinez. Sasagasa. And bigay. And then steal. Macaranas for the steal. At ayan na si Macaranas. Itatawid yung bola. Ayan, nakatawid na si Macaranas. Setting the play. Inoklit pa rin ni Martinez. Looking for Temits. And then launches for 3. Nugget. Rebound by Chua. Followed by Martinez. Pass on Bukod. Bukod ngayon. Ibinigay kay Crabangwell. At hindi nga lang nakuha ni Crabangwell. Ulang ng takbo. Belena to Mendoza. Mendoza looking for receiver. Given up on jersey number 24. Kagawan Belena. And then jumper. No good. Rebound on Crabangwell. At ayan na Crabangwell ngayon. De derecho. Inside pass to Martinez. Supply. Put back Batak. Yes sir. Macaranas pa rin. At ayan, dumiskarte sa 3, airball. Bukod to Martinez. Crabangwell. Inside pass to Batak. Rejected para kay De Leon. Symbol pa rin. Time out on Barangay Andaw.
Dextrose.
Okay, back to the ball game. And down Martinez to Crabangwell. Yes sir. 67-58 ang ating score. Lamang pa rin ng Barangay Talos Batang. Mendoza. Followed by Benluan. Back on Mendoza. Mendoza ngayon. 10 to shoot. Buntik pang naagawan. Inside pass. Then back De Leon. Reverse. Pass ulit. And then fade away shot. Yes. Magandang pasahan. Nice 2 points para ka Belena. Martinez at naagawan. Benluan ulit. Kinukulit. Ayan Benluan. Wala. And then rebound. Natapik na naman. Mendoza. Pasa naman on De Leon. Pasa kay Belena. Inside pass. Step back. Lunges for 3. Nugget. Chua for the rebound. Bigay naman kay Crabangwell. Crabangwell ngayon, setting the play, then multing the clock. 8 seconds. Bigay kay Batak. Live ball po yan. Is it 2 points by Batak? At foul pa. Okay. On jersey number 17. Wala pa, warning for penalty. End of the third quarter. Ang hinahabol ng Barangay Agdao. Inbound by Nimbado goes on Morales. Morales looking for 10 minutes, given up on Macaranas. Bigay sa gitna and then still by Kagawan Villena. Pass on Macaranas. Macaranas bigay sa Iting Mendoza. Wala. Rebound on Kiratman. Kiratman ngayon. Ayan. Nasa kanya pa rin ang bola. Dribbling the ball, Kiratman, lumusog. At mapupunta na naman sa Barangay Agdao Basketball. Okay, jersey number 22, technical. Hindi nakatakin. Sino mag-pre-free throw? Technical. Lagi po namin sinasabi po yan, yung mga jersey po natin, pakiayos na lang na itakin para maiwasan yung technical. Itakin na lang, pati yung mga singsing, bracelet, kwintas, ikaw. Pakialis na lang din yun. Balik na lang pagkatapos ng laro. At ayan. Macaranas to Mendoza, bigay naman on Delpen, 3 points. Anin na lang, 69-63. Morales, Martinez, ayan, kinokulit. Yes, para kay Martinez. At nagawaan pa rin ng paraan. Inbound Balingge, bigay kay Macaranas. Macaranas sending the play, dribbling the ball. Ayan, screening by Kagawan Villena. Pass to Kagawan Villena. Pa-inside pass, Delpin again, then fake, atake, bigay sa gitna, pasa sa ilalim, and then steal by Macaranas. Macaranas ngayon, nagmamadali, bigay naman on Martinez, back-to-back 2 points. At ayan na, jersey number 22, pasa naman kay Mendoza, balik kay Macaranas. Macaranas again, traffic, dribbling the ball, ayan. At then, pasa kay Kagawan Villena to Delpin, 10 to shoot. Balik naman kay Kagawan Villena, bigay on Macaranas, 5 to shoot. Slicing the middle, wala, rebound by Nimbado. At pinasa na ulit kay jersey number 1. Morales goes to Kiratman, back on Morales. Morales ngayon, given up on Martinez, back on Morales. Back again on Martinez. Ayan na naman ulit. Fake, jump, no good. Another rebound and then penetrate. And one. Basket is count. Then foul number 12, Balinge. That's your first personal foul on jersey number 12 by Balinge. And then jersey number 9 para kay Martinez. May bonus shot. Bonus free throw. Yes, na-kompleto ni Martinez. And then inbound kagawad Villena. Followed by Macaranas. Macaranas ngayon. Balinge, kinukulit, Umararo, and then napulpred, and then rejected. Rebound by Martinez. Given up on Macaranas, goes to Morales. Morales ngayon. Setting the blame, dribbling the ball, looking for Timmins, given up on Kiratman, fake jump, 80 out, and then rebound again, wala pa rin. Rebound by Kagawan Belina, pass on Mendoza. Mendoza ngayon, atake, wala, put back, yes, para kay Macaranas. And bound on Martinez, bigay naman kay Martinez again. Ayan, kay Morales, rather. Morales, ayan na naman sa ilalim. Fade away, using the class, 80 down. Agawan ulit, Morales, pasa naman Kiratman. And then still, Kagawan Villena, napulot ni Delpen. Kinukulit, pasa naman on Kagawan Villena. Pasa ulit on Mendoza, bigay naman kay Macaranas. Macaranas, using the class on Macaranas. 76-67 lang ating score. And favor again o Barangay Talos Batang. Kiratman, muntik pang mabitawan. Balik naman kay Morales. Pass ulit Macaranas. One handle shot, no good. Malakas. Nandun pa rin by Martinez for the rescue. Agawad Villena. Pass on Macaranas. At Macaranas pa rin. May tangan ng bola. Bigay naman kay Dilpen. Delpen, Idisgarte, Lepre sa 3, bang! 3 points! Martinez, at bigay ulit on Macaranas, 8 na lang, 78-70. At pasa naman kay Morales. Morales ngayon, Idisgarte, looking for Timmins, pass on Macaranas, another one-handle shot, that's a lucky bounce. Sangapulo, Ilamangon. Ayan na. Bigay ulit Belena to Delpen. Delpen ngayon, kinukulit ni Morales. Muntik pang magaw, given up by Mendoza in second session. Ayon, Lepre sa 3, and then fake pass, airball. Pass by Kiratman, nandun na Macaranas, 2 and 1. Ayun din, again. Yes. From the left 100 para kay jersey number 22, Macaranas, AC basket, Macaranas ngayon. And then duty foul goes to jersey number 1, Morales. Subrep, Martinez out. That's your first personal foul on jersey number 1 on Morales. At ayan, Tumera Sablay. Delpen Araro. Kinukulit. Balinge. Bigay sa ilalim. Pasa sa labas. Delpen. Nugget. Kiratman bigay naman kontra. That's a beautiful pass. Beautiful shot. Macaranas. Didiscarte. Ayan, binabantayan pa rin ni Morales. Delpen, Lepre sa 3, wala. Put back, and then rebound on. Rabacuel goes on to Macaranas. Ayun, good pa rin. Naisalba. Mendoza, inside pass. De Leon, fake, and then jump, no good. At Arian, Macaranas and Mendoza, sablay. Pass breaklet, Nevada. Yes. Balengge.
Patagili, balik to balik.
Time out ang Barangay Agdao. Okay, inbound by jersey number 2, Delpen, given up on Macaranas. Macaranas setting the play. Yan, kinukulit ni Macaranas din. Bigay kay Binluang, Balingge. Atake sa ilalim, symbol pa rin. At ibinigay na naman sa ilalim, another symbol. Okay, then get ready. Barangay Tambag versus Barangay Kabuldatan. Magandang bakbakan. Pati yung panghuli na bakbakan, napakaganda rin yun. Kaya wag po tayong aalis. At may foul na nasungkit on jersey number 17, Bukod.
Warm up jacket.
That's your second personal foul on jersey number 17, Bukod. Nakaw play, supply nga lang. At napulot pa rin, Binluan, bigay naman kay Delpen. Delpen ngayon, aatake, heavy traffic, balik kay Balengge. Balengge sa gitna, supply. And then still, bigay naman. And then Bukod. Yes, on Bukod. Binluan, given up on Macaranas. Macaranas ngayon. Pass naman kay Binluan, inside pass Balengge, long 2, no good, natapik ulit, Balengge fake, and then still by Di Guzman, ibinigay naman kay Crabangwell, goes to Bukod again, back to back 2 points para kay Bukod. Muntik na naman maagaw ni Macaranas, pero napulot pa rin ni Binluan. Binluan pa rin, kinukulit ni Bukod, at ayan, inside pass, and then fake, Balengge, sablay. Di Guzman again, then pass break by Crabangwell. Saktong sakto. At ayan na, matamis na 22. Ang kalamangan na ng Barangay Talos Batang, lumulubo. Macaranas ngayon. Then jumper. Yan, Herbal. Sabrok. Pakitawag na lang yung papalitan. 3 minutes 10 seconds, matagal pa yan. Another sub, sino? Crabangwell out, replaced by Chua. Di Guzman, bigay naman kay Bukod. Bukod, pass kay Martinez, balik kay Bukod. Bukod lulupas, still on, Kagawan Villena. Macaranas ngayon. Then jumper, pero may foul on jersey number 17. Bukod tangi sa lahat. That's your third personal foul on Bukod tangi. At Macaranas from the 15-point line, first charity, yes. Second, 2 out of 2. At ayan ulit, Martinez tumabagpik, ayan, sumagasa sa ilalim, sablay, rebound by De Leon, given up on Benluan, nandun na Macaranas, and it out, put back on the pen for the rescue. Ayan na, medyo tumidikit na, 92-74. Dumidikit yung ating katabi. Di Guzman. Ayun. Symbol pa rin. Stop. And ball by Martinez. 2 minutes 22 seconds. Papanipis na ang ating oras. And then Sablay. And down Delpen, given up on Macaranas. Pass ulit. At ayan na Benluan na bitawan pa. Napulot pa ni Soriano. Soriano nandyan na. Sasalaksak. Running shot. Good. Last 10 minutes. Agawad Villena. Bigay naman kay Macaranas. Macaranas ngayon aatake and then still napulot naman ni Soriano. Soriano ngayon papul away. Yes. Villena. Bigay naman Delpen launches for 3. Bang! 3 points. Chua. To Martinez. Ay, sablay pa. At ayon na Macaranas again for 3. Nugget. And then Di Guzman. To Soriano. Bigay Villena. Nataktakot siya. Sabrep. Ayan na. 1 minute 10 seconds. Ay, time out pa ng Barangay Agdao. Kamuldatan, pati yung panghuli, maganda ring bakbakan mga kaibigan. Habang may tikit pa dyan, kumuha na. And then Ferrer, Nugget, put back para kay Batak. 55 seconds. At ayan, to Benluan. Benluan pa rin. Bigay kay Delpen. Nugget. Rebound Chua. Headed by Soriano. Oh, nabitawan pa. 35 seconds for 3. Nugget. Chua. Ferrer. To Soriano. Soriano. Balik kay Batak. Yes, sir. 25 seconds. Pass break again, Delpen. Save. At napagaw pa rin, Batak ngayon. Dumiskarte sa 3, Sablay. At rebound pa rin, Benluan to Kagawan Villena. 10 seconds. Nugget. Soriano. Sablay